I'm as much as possible leeward to the wind, and what I've done is I've kind of hidden myself in this children's swimming pool area on the Norwegian cruiser that we're on. The Spirit has these cool rocks and slides going down, and I'm kind of hiding here from the wind. The wind is to my back, and this fake rock is sheltering me. But we were behind me, you'll see, we were on the corner of Rhodes, and that's what we spent our whole day doing today while we were in port. It's an ancient city. It's a Crusader city. High walls, amazing. I mean, they look like 20 feet high. Huge classic turrets. It is really nice looking. I've never seen anything like it. And when you go into the city, the old streets are still there with the cobblestone rocks, all hand laid. Beautiful. Of course, there's vendor shops there, and fun little shopping time. Marilyn and I had an opportunity to have a little Greek bakery and coffee. It was very relaxing. One of my most favorite days that I've had so far since we've been on tour. Marilyn agrees. But I want to tell you about this fortification. The Crusaders really lived and housed themselves there from about 1350 to 1550. And their primary job was to protect the Aegean Sea from Islamic hordes coming in on their ships, finding landfalls, and then dominating and taking over Western Europe for Islam. And so it was truly a battle between Christianity and Islam. And the Pope, various popes, felt that they could put knights out here. And so there's a whole heritage just for these knights. These knights were exemplary in character. They were faithful, true, warriors, honest. He chose the cream of the knight crop to come here, and the Knights of Templar and others to defend the Aegean from the Islamic onslaught. So you might be thinking, listen, little bear, it doesn't make sense to me. Why would God even use the Crusades? I've heard bad things about Crusades. Christians fighting Muslims. What's wrong with us? Listen, I don't fully understand God. He could send peals of thunder, split the earth with earthquakes, and stop it with plagues. He could do all manner of things miraculously. He doesn't need humans to stop. Acts chapter 17 has told us that God has determined the times and the limits where men would live on the face of the earth. It's a God thing that He has determined those places. It's not random and accidental and we just so happen to win battles. God determined those things, and He uses humans to accomplish His historic purposes. Why? I don't know. That's just God. He is sovereign. He used Nebuchadnezzar, a pagan king, until his major conversion, to take Israel from the Jews and swallow it up. He's used Alexander the Great. He's used Cyrus the Persian. He's done all kinds of things historically through people. God is sovereign, but one thing I can tell you, Western Europe is secure with Christianity because knights stayed here as in other locations to protect the Islamic onslaught coming into countries and dominating and taking them over in the name of Islam. Praise God that those boundaries, according to Acts chapter 17, have been set by God for the preservation of Christianity. And come hell or high water, no force will shut God down in His purposes, that Christianity will flourish on the face of the earth until Jesus comes back as King of Kings and Lord of Lords. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.